Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness, more like you every day. Amen. Okay, children. Today we are going to continue with Unit 2, Unit 5, Money. Okay, so last class we started with addition and subtraction. Now we will do add and subtract in rupees and paise. Okay, so it was very easy. It is also like a normal addition. Okay, now we are going to see how we will do multiplication and division. Okay, so to multiply also similar like normal multiplication only. Okay, so we will see one situation here. A book company announced a discount on dictionaries to school students. After discount, the cost of the dictionary was 425 and 25 students wanted to buy it. How much money in total was required to buy? For this, we have to multiply the number of students with the cost of the dictionary. So, cost of one dictionary is 425. We need to buy for how many students? 25 students. So, we need 25 dictionaries. So, what we will do? 425 into 25, we will get the cost, total cost to buy 25 dictionaries. So, the cost of each dictionary is 425 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 25 dictionary is 25 into 425. If you multiply, we will get rupees 10,625. Okay, this is how you will do the multiplication. In multiplication, you have to remember one thing. They will give the cost for one thing and they will ask the cost for many things. That is called as multiplication. Okay, and in situation 2, okay, you remember this situation. 8 students of a school participating in a international competition and won a cash award of rupees 5,000. So, how many students participated? 8 students. How much amount they won? They won 5,000. They want to share the amount among themselves. So, how much share would each one get? So, total amount is 5,000. In that, there are 8 students. We have to divide 5,000 for 8 students. So, how will you divide 5,000 divided by 8? You will get, each student will get 625 rupees. Okay, here you remember they have given many student and they have asked for one student. நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டு ஒன்று கேட்டிருக்காங்க, நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டு ஒன்று அப்படின்னா டிவிஷன், ஒன்று கொடுத்துட்டு நிறைய கேட்டால் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். இயர் காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஒன் டிக்ஷனரி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 25 டிக்ஷனரி கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். இங்கே காஸ்ட், இங்கே வந்து மொத்தமாக 8 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு 5,000 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அப்போ ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்குறாங்க, நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டு ஒன்று கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ யூ வில் do divide. Okay, this is a difference between multiplication and division. Okay, so now we shall do the book exercise, so it will be very easy to understand. Okay, fill in the blanks. You can do it on your own, I think. Yes, try it. Okay, answer the following. So we are going to do multiplication. Okay, shall we start doing this multiplication? First number is 9 rupees 9,800 it is 98,725 into 5. So now we are going to multiply 9, 8, 7, 2, 5 into 5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 2, 1 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 1, 36, 6, 3 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 3, 43, 3, 4 carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 4, 49. So the answer is So the answer is 4,93,625. Okay, this is also like a normal multiplication. Okay, yes. Next sum. Next any sum we shall do it with the 2-digit number. Okay, so 2-digit number multiplication. So we will multiply. So how will you multiply this one? So rupees paise. So 362.37 multiplied by 12. Okay. Yes. First you will multiply by 2, then by 1, and then we will add. Okay. 2 sevens are 14. 4, 1 carry. Okay. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. Dot. Okay. 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Over. Next we will multiply by 1. 1 7s are 7. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 6 are 6. 1 3s are 3. Now we are going to add. So here you should not keep dot. Okay. Fine. Now we are going to add. 4. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 1 carry. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 6 plus 7, 15. 5, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Now we have to keep the dot. How you will keep the dot now? Keeping the dot. After 2 digits only they have kept the dot. So here also after 2 digits you have to keep one dot. So the answer is 4,000 rupees, 4,548.44 paise. Okay, this is how you will write the answer. Okay, fine. So we will do. So we have done 2 multiplication. Now we shall do one division sum. Okay. So which division we shall do? Easy division. So we will do this division. 7,980 divided by 28. Okay. So rupees 7,980 divided by 8. So how you will divide 7,980 divided by 8. Okay. So 8 tables 7 will not come. So what you will do? We will take 2 numbers, right? 2 numbers. We will take 79. So 8 tables 79 will come. No, in 8 tables 79 will not come. What will come? 72 will come. So 8 9s are how much? 8 9s are 72. So 8 9s are 72. Okay. So if you subtract, what will happen? 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? It is 7. So we are bringing down this 8. Again here 78. 8 tables 78 will not come. 8 tables 72 will come how many times? 9 times. So 9 times 72. Again subtract 8 minus 2, it is 6. We are bringing down this 0. Okay. Now 60. 8 tables 60 will come? No. 8 tables 60 will not come. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Yes. Subtract. This will become 5, 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So here 4 is the remainder. So in money we should not have the remainder. So what we are going to do? We are keeping one dot and we are adding one 0. What we are doing? Keeping one dot and adding one 0. Okay. Now 8 tables 40 will come. Yes, 8 tables 8 5s are 40. Okay. So if we subtract 0. So the answer is rupees 997.5. Okay, this is the answer. This is how you will do the division. Okay, yes, we will do one more division. Okay, now we shall do one more sum. We will do this 4 sum. 324 divided 0.52 divided by 28. Okay, so rupees 324.52 divided by 28. So we are going to divide this number. Okay. So for this we need 28 tables. So we don't know 28 tables. First we will write the 28 tables here. Okay. So 28 into 1, 28. 28 into 2, it is 56. 28 into 3, it is 84. 28 into 4, 112. 28 into 5, 140. 28 into 6, 168. 28 into 7, 196. 28 into 8, 224. 28 into 9, 252. 28 into 10, it is 280. So now we know 28 tables. Now we shall start doing the division. Okay. So divide 324.52 by 28 by 28. Okay. So now first take 2 digits. So 28 tables, 32 will come. 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, which is greater than 32. So we will take 28 ones are. 1 time 28, subtract. Okay. So borrow, this will become 2 and this will become 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Now bring down this 4, 44. Will 44 come in 28 tables? 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, which is greater than 44. So we will take 1 time. 1 time 28. Okay. Again subtract. 4 minus 8 we cannot do. So this will become 3 and this will become 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6. Okay. Now 6 we are going to bring here one dot is there, so we will keep one dot. After that bring down this 5. Bring down this 5. 65. So will 65 come in 28 tables? 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, 28 threes are 84. So we will take, so here 3 minus 2 it is 1, sorry 3 minus 2 it is 1. So here 165 is there. So 165 we have to take. So 28, 56, 84, 112, 140, 168. So 68 is greater than 165. So we will take 5 times. 5 times 140. Okay, subtract. 5, 6 minus 4 it is what? 6 minus 4 it is 6 minus 4 2. Okay, then we will bring down this 2. 252. Will 252 is coming? Yes, 252 is coming 9 times. So 9 times 252. We subtract, we are getting 0. So the answer is rupees 11 rupees 59 paise. Answer is 11 rupees 59 paise. So this is how you will do the addition, multiplication and division. Okay. So we shall see the remaining things in our next class. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.